That's his name on her. How you in? They said you would know somebody named the Dildo.
No.
Yeah, he know you. Hey, tell her what's your real name so she know who you is. Shout out to Mac Daddy Detail one time for the one time. Got that good hand cleaner. Oh, yeah, the Dildo. Look, her name is Jamie. Look at him. He know you, miss.
Oh, Dilldoe.
Yeah, the Dildo.
Well, I don't know who that is.
She want to know who you is. He said you live 4 houses down. Who is that, miss? 4 houses down from you. You don't know nobody stay 4 houses down from you? Be 4 houses down from you. Yeah. Yeah, miss, 4 houses. He said on God. He put it on God. Yeah, 4 houses down. Dang, they keep messing, I can't. They keep messing, I can't. They won't let me go down. Right lane with the 802. Right lane for the win, y'all. Okay, this is the last call for alcohol. We got one more pass, y'all. This is Mackenzie. She went to 890. Alright, y'all. Let's get my drink time now. Let me go let her know I just talked to Clyde about my discount. See if I can put my discount in effect tonight. Look out, y'all. If y'all want to see it as HD, we got these cars finna run some 350s and 60s coming up next, y'all. Yeah, Clyde, I'm with him. He already doing something. I'm bad with Clyde, y'all. He running a number. Yeah, I think it was one car running the fast number. He probably ain't going against him right now. Where is XRP located? It's Ferris, Texas. Down 45 before you get to Ennis, coming from Dallas. Yeah, they cleaning the track now, y'all. Y'all get ready. All my TikTokers, man, I wish y'all to come to my YouTube channel, man. Ooh, I'd be happy, boy, if I could see these type of numbers on YouTube, man. Cause boy, say, huh? Look out, look out. Hey, hey. Hey, I'm ready, y'all. I'm ready. Look out. Yeah, it's going down. Got my boy in here, y'all. He finna get it going down, man. Hey, hey, bitch, let me get a look out. She finna hook it up. Ooh. Yeah, they finna give me a lookout, y'all. I need to use the bathroom. Let the old lookout out and let a new lookout in. Hey, man, you on my YouTube channel?
I'm about to be.
Okay.
Brother's on there. I got your card.
Yeah, I already gave you the card. I'm gonna give you another. Oh, Kirk. Oh, that's Kirk Williams, them, y'all. They out there doing their thing. I seen a while ago, man. We gonna be on there. You on there, man? All right. Okay. Hey, Miss, you on my YouTube channel? Oh, you scared? Oh, she don't be on YouTube, y'all. Miss, what girl? Can you take my card anyway? Tell your uncle them so they can get on there for me. Dang, man, let me see how I'm gonna get to the. I need to use the bathroom. Let this shit out. I'ma hold it. I don't feel like. Look out, man. Yes, sir. Damn.
Justin, you want something to eat?
Hey, she wants something to eat. Yeah, I want it. I'm on it. Oh, it's about to go. God damn. They done ran out of tops, y'all. I don't need one. I need to stir this shit. Ooh, I can't do nothing with this. God damn. God damn.
Hey, do y'all want 580?
Oh, yeah.
You gotta stir that shit up.
Everybody?
Yeah,
Ooh. That's one of the secrets to this. You gotta stir this shit up. You gotta stir it up. Oh, I can show them. You gotta stir this up. You gotta stir it up real good. Real good. You can't let that brown show. You gotta get that stir. You gotta let that. You wanna see blue, red, and brown all in one. You gotta stir it up. It ain't gonna be right. It ain't gonna be right. If you don't stir it up, it ain't right. I'm letting you know right now. Ooh, sometimes you gotta bring that straw up like this. Bring that red up. You see that red down there? You gotta bring that red up. Scoop it out the middle. You really need a